Think back to the last time you climbed a ladder. You didn't start at the middle, and you certainly didn't start at the top. You put your foot on the first rung, you tested its weight, and you began the climb. For nearly a century, our careers worked exactly the same way. We called it entry level. It was the filing, the research, and the grunt work. It wasn't glamorous, but it was essential. It was the training ground where we learned how to think, how to fail, and how to lead. But as we move deeper into 2026, a strange thing is happening. The ladder isn't falling over, but the bottom rungs, they are being snapped off, one by one. If you ask a CEO today why they are replacing junior roles with AI, they'll give you a very logical answer: efficiency. Why hire a fresh graduate to summarize reports when an AI agent can do it in 4 seconds? On paper, it makes perfect sense. Costs are down, productivity is up. But there is a psychological cost we aren't talking about. Entry-level jobs were never just about the work being produced. They were about the person being produced. When we automate the boring tasks, we are accidentally automating the apprenticeship. We are cutting the cord between the expert and the student. Imagine you want to become a master chef, but instead of learning how to chop onions or simmer a sauce, you are given a machine that does it perfectly every time. You aren't a maker of the soup anymore. You are just an editor. In 2026, we are seeing the rise of the competency gap. Young professionals are managing AI, but they lack the foundational intuition that only comes from doing the repetitive, manual work. Psychology tells us that deep expertise requires deliberate practice. It requires making mistakes in the small things, so you don't make them in the big things. If the AI handles all the small things, where do we get our experience? This creates a new kind of anxiety. Look at the job postings today. Entry-level roles that require 3 years of experience and mastery of 5 AI platforms. The middle class of the digital world is thinning out. You are either a high-level architect who directs the machines, or you are easily replaceable. There is no longer a safe middle where you can grow slowly. This is why you might feel like you're failing before you even begin. It's not a lack of talent. It's that the training wheels have been taken off while the bike is moving at 60 miles per hour. So, is the ladder gone forever? No, but the way we climb it has changed. In the past, you were valued for what you could do. In the future, you will be valued for what you can direct. The new entry level isn't about competing with AI to see who can write a faster email. It's about human oversight. It's about knowing the difference between a good AI answer and a great human solution. To survive this shift, we have to stop trying to be faster machines. We must become better humans. Don't just learn how to use AI. Learn why it makes the choices it does. Protect your curiosity. Find mentors who will let you see their messy process, not just their polished results. The machines will always be faster. They will always be cheaper, but they will never know the weight of a decision or the pride of a hard-earned climb. The ladder might be broken, but our ability to build something new, that is just beginning.